In this video we will be talking about 5 successful books that will improve your life. Number 1. How to Win Friends and Influence People. This book gives amazing insights and examples on how to deal with people, how to make them like you, and how to be more effective as a person and leader. You learn how to motivate others and get them to do things without being manipulative, a concern for many people. There's also a section dedicated on how to make your personal life at home happier and more satisfying. The book will improve your life by helping you relate better to others and by improving your communication skills. Number 2. Think and Grow Rich. The original 1937 unedited edition, referred to by many as the Bible of Success, this book is not only necessary, it's also a must-read regularly. Napoleon Hill studied the habits and actions of over 500 successful men and packed all his knowledge into this 200-page masterpiece. The book not only shows you what successful people do, but how and why their actions gets them results. Take a look at Chapter 3 on Faith. This chapter explains how having faith and being persistent, you really can have whatever goal it is that you desire. It explains on why being as specific as possible with our goals is necessary. As an example, instead of saying I make a lot of money, you should be more specific and say I earn $20,000 a month. It also explains why constantly repeating your goal forces your mind to believe that it's possible. This works by removing any doubts you may have and by beginning to shape your actions towards that goal. As a result, you achieve whatever it is you desire. Make it a priority to read this book at least twice a year. Yes, it's a good and necessary for success. Number 3. Awaken the Giant Within. How to take immediate control of your mental, emotional, physical and financial destiny. Take action. Tony Robbins, who is referred to as one of the most influential motivational speakers today, goes into detail on how our mind convinces us to stay the same. Your mind resists change, even if it's good, and will make you happier in life. There's a chapter in the book where Tony explains how everything you do in life is to either gain pleasure or prevent pain. He further explains how the programming in your mind affects you when trying to grow and become more successful. This book is jam-packed with valuable information that will both motivate and inspire you to take action. Number 4. The Power of Now. A guide to spiritual enlightenment. The Power of Now is very powerful. It provides insight on how and why it's important to live your life in the present. ECKHART Tolle explains how your mind controls you, and that until you have control of it, you will never be fully aware and happy. Your mind has a lot of thoughts, beliefs, and conversations going on that you're not even aware of. Some of these can be good, resulting from positive memories. Others can be bad due to negative moments or experiences in your past. The good news about the negative ones is that they are in your past. However, negative experiences make it hard to notice and appreciate good things in the present. ECKHART explains how the more you live in the present, the less power you give to negative experiences or memories you may have. The Power of Now shows you how to appreciate every moment of every day. You'll learn how to assign meaning to the smallest things and how to notice the positive in everything. This book was very insightful, and I recommend you give someone a copy of it after you've read it. I'm sure you'll agree. Number 5. The Secret. I'm sure somewhere along the way, you've heard someone either talk about the book or movie. The Secret delivers such a simple message that it's hard for some people to accept. That message is, whatever you think about the most is what you attract into your life. If you say to yourself over and over, I will achieve a goal, then you will. The secret is the law of attraction. Whatever you think about over and over is what you get. The book features many successful personal development and motivational speakers who have attained great success in all areas of their lives using The Secret. This book is very motivating, especially with the life story of the author RHONDA BYRNE. She explains how her life was in turmoil until she discovered the secret in a book given to her by her daughter. The knowledge helped Rhonda turn her life around, leading her to write this book in hopes of helping as many people as possible to change their lives for the better. The writing style makes it enjoyable and easy to understand. The advice and principles in this book will go on to change your life.